All right, let's review the story. The story starts with me holding a, gun. This Korean consonant actually makes the g sound in gun. G, g. Now what happens next? I smell something with my, nose. Guess what sound this letter makes? It makes the n sound. N, 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 nose. So I open the door, and you guessed it, it makes the d sound, as in door. Do you remember what I found inside? Yep, a snake, but not just any snake, a rattlesnake. And guess what sound this makes? You got it, it makes the r sound, as in rattlesnake. I'm shocked. So, you have a great memory. My mouth opens. Mouth. And as you might have guessed, this consonant right here makes the m sound. Now tell me that wasn't magical. Now all we have to do is to attach some vowels to these consonants to start making syllables. For example, here's one vowel. This vowel is pronounced E, just like a tree. Can you picture the tree here? Yeah. Now, attach any consonant you want in front and you get a syllable. For example, here's the gun, which makes the g sound. And you add the tree next to it, and guess what sound this makes? Yup, g plus e makes gi. This is gi. Let me teach you a couple more vowels. Remember how this was a tree? You add a stroke to its left and you get o. You add a stroke to its right and you get ah. Now here's how you can remember it, if it helps. Think of the tree moving close to a person, and the person's an introvert, so he goes, oh, that's too close. That's close. And then here's the same person, and then the tree move away from the person, and he goes, ah, much better. So again, that's an E, that's the oh, too close, and ah, that's much better. You're so good at this. Let's go practice reading words right away. This is a Korean word for country. Remember, this is n for nose. Ah, much better. And snake, but not just any snake, a rattlesnake. And another ah. So you put them all together and you get nara. Nara. Oh man, 10 minutes into learning Hangul and you can already read words. All right, let's do one more. This is a Korean word for spider. This is g for gun. Remember this? Oh, too close. And then my mouth opens m and another tree. You put them together and you get g. Oh, too close. M and e. Komi. Awesome. That's Korean for spider. Komi. Hey, I might have just saved your life. If you someday end up finding a box that says komi, you now know not to touch it. Awesome. Let's go practice the rest of the consonants now.